Look at the sun!
Don't lose it, where did it go?
G'day legends, today we're going to go spearfishing and catch some abalone here at Millicent in South Australia.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Hey guys, so we put into a park because we needed to get off the beach to shower and plus to fix Teresa's car. But the boys are handling that.
You hear any noise inside? Okay. This one. This 100% this one.
The girls set up this shower tent. Oh, this bucket.
Yep. Alright, come. Okay, let me turn off.
So this is the water heater.
Okay, được không mà? Mà bấm cái nút không mà?
So you got a pump running the water in, and then it heats and it travels up to the shower head, and then you just use it like a home shower.
It's perfect. It's a bit better than a home shower.
Oh. And I think it's only because we're outside, so everything seems better. How do you rate the shower?
10 out of 10.
So we put us up to some shady park that had water, collected water, and then showered, had a full-on shower. There's our car. We set up for like 12 people.
Right now we're just jacking up the rear left tire, and then we're gonna spin the tire to check if we're gonna hear any noises coming from the wheel hub. The problem is making noises that isn't good.
What happened?
Dad changed the first two. Was like, there's no problem. It's not here. I was like, it's probably the back tire. The one I haven't changed. Mom's like, it's the one you changed. It's the one you changed.
He said it was new and it ended up being that tire. Oh no. What did you find out that they're doing? What did you find out they're doing?
They're doing my cake.
But it was supposed to be a surprise.
I am surprised.
Oh, okay. Wow! Wow!
Oh! I didn't even start singing.
Oh, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to Teresa!
Only 15 candles.
Happy birthday to you! Hooray! 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 Woo! Wow! So we're at Suicide Point. It's so windy today. We rushed to get the rooftop tent down and pack up our campsite because the wind was like 60 kilometers per hour.
Pretty crazy.
It's so bad. All our awning fell off. Everything was flying everywhere. So at 6 a.m. we all rushed out of the car to open the door. But on the way here, Kevin, what happened?
Yeah, so we were on some corrugated roads, and basically
Louder!
I was on corrugated roads, and then basically our fuel filter came off. So then I ran out of fuel and the engine turned off. But obviously when that happens, you start thinking about everything else except the fuel filter. But it was easy fix.
Guys, we're in Victor Harbour, Goa area.
Goa Beach.
And we're gonna try to catch, oh my god, the camera's so close. We're gonna try to catch some peepees. And it looks like it might be successful this year. Right, babe?
Yeah, hopefully. It
Oh my
looks like
God.
people catching it already.
People are out. There's some people with nets and buckets already, so we're gonna go suss it out.
Yeah, and we might change into shorts. It looks like everyone's full diving in and
I know.
stuff.
I really don't want to dive in though. It's so cold.
Yeah.
But for dinner, we'll see what we catch.
Babies.
Let's pray. Hold my hand. I hope we catch peepees. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
We
Let's
don't
go.
have long. Tides are coming up, so we better get
How long
into
do we
it.
have? What do you think? Oh my god, the tides are
an
coming
hour.
up. The last time we heard tides coming up, that ended so successfully as well. Alright, let's go. Oh god. Oh god. Anyways, wow.
Stop. We gotta hurry, move!
Hey guys, welcome back to K&A Adventures. Today we have a Triton broken down on the beach, but guess what? It's high tide and we are scratching our heads, stressing. We are missing bolts in our...
We are missing bolts on the lower control arm. So normally there's 2 bolts that goes straight down and two nuts at the bottom. So right now we are missing 1 bolt and missing 2 nuts. 2 nuts, guys.
Time is ticking, it's high tide, we are stressed, we need to get this done. Let's get to it.
So where Kevin? Show the
So,
rules here.
okay.
Hang on.
Okay. This is where it is.
No,
So, that's the low control arm, connects to the car, makes it go up and down. That's 1 bolt, but on the bottom side, there is no nut. No nut at all. And then there's a second hole, bolt and nuts missing, so that's not good. Oh yeah, and then there's that problem too. The CV bit detached, so that CV is not going to last much longer, especially in the sand. Yeah, that's where we're at, guys. So right now we're trying to be bush mechanics. So
sand mechanics. Beach mechanics?
what we got?
Yeah. Oh, I was running.
Tim's tool set.
That's not what's important. What's important is over there. No, just
So what we are doing is that's the rear tow bar bolt. Hopefully it's the same bolt and nut size for the low control arm. So I'll bring you guys over here. We're just turning the wheel to make it easier, better access. This is the moment of truth. Go in there, Tim. So I think the bolt sizes are different. So to make them the same, we might take 2 bolts out from the rear bar and put it at the front. At least that way we have 2 bolts that are smaller and it will tighten. Yeah.
Will that work?
I think that's the plan. Yeah. It's not the best fix, but it will get us out of trouble because
I mean,
it
I
could
think we
be
should get
a
off the
major
beach.
problem.
Yeah, I think we should get off the beach first because the tide's coming up and then figure it out from there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see.
Okay. Here, wait. Hold it. It's just South Australia.
No, I think I just put my dad's
It'll come up good.
I'm standing outside the window. 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 I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting
Morgan. What did we catch? What did you catch for dinner?
Please. We're gonna have exo pippies.
Did water in now or no?
Sorry? Yeah, the water. It needs to go above the 50 level. We have this little contraption here. It's basically like a bread cradle type of thing. So we just cut it to the size of the esky. That way the pip is elevated. And then we basically put an air pump. This is what this is. Creates bubbles so it oxygenates the salt water, keep it fresh. And then basically the pip is gonna spit out the sand. So when we eat it, there's gonna be less sand in our mouths, basically. Yeah.
Otherwise, if we don't have the pump, what can we do instead?
You can just change the water.
Every so often.
Yeah.
For the day. Wow.
Where we're at the moment is we took the 2 bolts out of the rear bar. But that didn't really work. So we took one out of the bull bar at the moment because that was the exact same bolt we needed and washer. So right now it's just temporary fixed. Should hold.
Guys, where are we?
Today we are
We're at Warina
Warina
Cove, is what he's trying to say. We're at Warina Cove boat ramp, and today we're just touring because the weather looks a bit it's a bit yucky. It's a little bit cold. It's a little bit cold, so we're just touring today. We actually got here yesterday. What did we do yesterday?
We went to catch pippies.
We went to catch pippies.
Like our matching jackets.
Yeah, I can charge it off the boat.
Anyways, yeah, so we're just on a tour today, see what's out there. We're gonna suss out the location so that tomorrow we can
go diving tomorrow. We're just
diving.
chucking the drone up today. Today's not the best day to do anything. It's quite cloudy, but we're making the most of it, practicing how to use our drones.
Yeah, so we're just chilling today. The first stop we are at is Warina Cove boat ramp. And look, doesn't it look like Tassie? Like mini Tassie here? Or even like New Zealand? Now we are at Morgan's Beach. But we are going to the lookout first and then we drive to the beach. So yeah, Morgan Beach.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games though. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games though. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games though. There's no denying what we want.
Oh my god, it started pouring.
Yeah, so we're just jumped in the car and we're moving to the ferry now
Yeah, the ferry area.
to get onto Kangaroo Island.
Guys, I just want to remind you that it's currently summer right now. And so far, 2 out of 2, 100%. When we go to South Australia in summer, it feels like winter. So if you ever come to South Australia during the Christmas break, please bring a lot of jumpers and trackers.
You want to go?
So, yeah, we're heading to the ferry area now, the ferry port thingy. After we get onto this area, we need to get out of this beach. Alright, see you guys soon.
So I think Tina is on her L's and she's stuck at the moment, so we're just driving down to have a look.
Oh my god!
Land Cruiser stuck!
xíu chạy lộn bên.
No, bác Hưng chạy. Yeah. Is this the first recovery? Yeah. Yeah, Tina. Don't worry, we left. Yeah. She was driving a bit too high and then she slid down. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, V8 recovered. Alright guys, we are at Rapid Bay Long Jetty. So we just saw a cave and we're making our way across. Today I have here is Angelina.
Hi.
And Teresa. So this is the old jetty that used to be here. It's now run down and shut down. No access. But there's access underneath it. Wow, that looks so cool. Damn, they're fast.
That's one of the caves, I guess you could say, or shelter. Not really a cave, but we thought it was cool. This is the old jetty. Nice. It's actually haunted, but we won't tell anyone after tomorrow. Wow, a butterfly! Wow!
First cave of Rapid Bay. Pick a cave, guys.
Oh, see, you look cool there. Let me see in front of you.
We are at Rapid Bay with the gang. And this is the cave that everyone walks to at the end of the beach.
There's a hole there. Apparently it goes like in a bit and then it looks like a dead end, but if you look up there's another hole and you just keep going. Apparently it connects to the other caves. Okay.
We are about to enter the cave.
You reckon?
Rapid Bay Cave.
This is so scary. You gotta climb up.
Okay.
You gotta climb up.
Ah.
Ben is climbing the cave now. I don't know how I feel. I don't know how I feel about this. Huh? I don't think you should. I don't think you should. I don't want you to.
It's a bit hard.
Yeah, I don't want you to. but you can probably fly the drone in if you want.
No.
Oh, the pan out. Oh, this is cool. Kevin, stand there, turn around. Wow. Wow, what a model. Dun, 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 dun. So we're in Second Valley, and I don't know if you guys can hear me, so I'm going to try to talk loud. But we just walked down that area there, and that area that we walked down, if you see where Tim is sitting in that low stone wall area, and where Tim is squatting, all along back to where we were walking down, that's a tramway.
Damn.
Yeah, so back in 1850 something, they used to import wheat. Oh, wheat, like
Yeah.
rice.
Yeah.
So they would import it here, drop it here, and then the tram will start from that point,
Yeah.
and it will travel all the way here. So this used to be a railway, tramway.
You hear that, Tim?
Really?
Yeah.
I don't believe anything
From-
you guys say.
From here all the way over to there. It used to be like a little tramway thing.
Was it really?
So, yeah. That's what the sign said.
Really?
Yeah.
Transport wheat.
Yeah.
What?
Wheat. Like rice. This is what I mean when I say they use the tram. This is one of the basic engineering system back then. Tim, how would they use it?
I will put this one to Rita. I think she's more knowledgeable in this space. So Rita, take it away.
If you look back here, there's
What was this used for?
Importing wheat!
But how would they use it?
That's what Miss Tran was trying to explain.
So what they will do is they will put like a winch rope here, and the boat will park over there. We'll throw the rope over to them, and we'll drag the boat in.
Sounds half decent actually.
the rails are here, and I'm assuming like in Indiana Jones it used to be the box cart thing, and then that mechanism, I guess you like do one of those or something like Indiana Jones, and then it rolls. Right, babe?
No idea.
But then I feel like that makes sense because there needs to be two of that and then that box.
Yeah. If you guys have any other theories, please let us know.
We're not very educated, that's why we're YouTubers.
Anyways,
Look at
Second Valley, awesome place. Check out the views. Come here for yourself.
Good luck. Falling backwards.
On top of that.
Look at this one! Good job, fucker!
That was epic, Oh my god, it doesn't fucking fit me. How did you think of our day today at Rapid Bay?
Today at Rapid Bay was really good. It provided us a lot of food. We're going to feast on a lot of fish today. I think in total we all had about 6 fish. They're all good sized fish and hopefully they taste pretty good. So right here we have a pot going. We're just steaming up the fish.
Yeah, that's definitely
And we've got sweet potatoes in the fire. What else do we have?
We got some pippies being stir fried up with some sauce.
We're stir frying pippies today. Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, not XO though, something else.
Yeah, well
Soy.
that's going to be really good too. So real keen.
What's your rate at Rapid Bay? Does it live up to the YouTube expectations?
Yeah, definitely. A lot of people was fishing for squid and they caught them, and also King George whiting. So if you have a lot of days on the boat, probably a bigger boat would be better, and then you'll be able to catch more fish.
Wow.
Yeah, Teresa's bar crusher.
next time.
Teresa's bar crusher. How did you rate today?
10 out of 10.
How did you rate today?
Hunky dory.
How did you rate today?
Look at my tan line.
Oh my god, look at his tail. It's a lobster. It's getting more red.
Bro, we gotta smack that.
I napped on the boat for about an hour and a half. I was like this with the hat on my face. Everything was covered except for my hands as well.
It's so bad.
And I woke up.
You look like you're wearing stockings. How did you rate today? 10 out of 10 would do again. Look at her poor nose. Are you guys happy that you bought the tinny?
Yes.
Yes, I'm so glad. It's so small, but we were able to get to where we needed and use our gun for the first time.
Oh my
That's
god, how
exciting.
was that?
It was good. Yeah, Kev said you could catch squid online. We shot a squid, so
So would you recommend everyone else to bring a boat if they could?
yeah,
Yes.
definitely bring one if you could.
Only if conditions are good.
Yeah, only if conditions are good. Always be safe.
Okay, so see you to the vlog. See you next time.
See you Monday.
Before I end the vlog,
Okay.
I just want to show you our catch and cook of
Oh,
the
thank you.
day.
Oh,
Rita.
it's hot.
Explain to everyone. We got peepees. What did they taste like?
Delicious.
Delicious. How we rate the peepees?
10 out of 10.
How do we rate the peepees?
10 out of 10.
How do we rate the peepees?
I don't like seafood, but I like this one.
Oh, that's very good. All right, what else do we have here, guys? What is this? This is some mowies. We steamed some fish with
Team only like the
ginger
expensive one.
and onions, spring onions.
Wow.
And then over here we have eggplant.
What do you mean?
Wait, what was it?
With tomato.
Eggplant with tomatoes. Yum.
Busting my hand, please.
Everyone's feeding.
Cook
That's our
grinding in the
catch.
sand, and then there's like stone under the sand.
Hey, Chop,
Yeah.
what fish did you catch for the
I
fam?
caught a sea sweep, and it's ngongwa.
Ngong wow. Wow. What do the locals rate it?
4 out of 5.
And what do you rate it?
I rate it 4 out of 5.
Oh, so the locals were right.
Yeah. Here it is. Here it is. Cheers. That is good.
It's good.
That is good fish.
Kevin, have you tried the fish that you caught?
No, I haven't yet.
All right.
Just killing those people.
Can you try the fish that you caught now?
Oh,
Yeah,
now?
I don't know.
I don't actually know
Yeah.
which one.
Yeah, actually really good.
You can't tell which one is which.
No, I can't actually. Is it that one?
Wait, is this a fish? That's a fish.
Oh, yeah. Does that one taste different or is it the same?
It's nice and chewy.
I don't know which one it is.
It's okay. We'll eat Chop's one first. When we find Kevin's one, we'll record
Oh,
again.
that one. On the bottom.
Oh, okay. Everyone, pick Kevin's one. We're
I
gonna
think
rate
it's
it.
that. I think it's that.
We're gonna rate it. All right,
This one?
Kevin.
No,
What?
it's underneath that one.
Flip that one out.
T, get one too.
Yeah, it's that one.
Okay,
It's
everyone. Which one is this? All right. What do we
Brown.
think?
Get some sauce. Joy.
Tastes a bit dry.
Yeah, right. But it doesn't have that fishy taste.
Yeah, no, it's good.
It's a bit dry, but it doesn't have the fishy taste.
No, it's good.
So apparently the locals say it's not the most favorite to eat, but it's still
Oh,
good.
this is yours, babe.
Yeah, it's
Do
really
you guys
good.
think the same?
Where's yours?
This one here. Under here.
It's alright.
It's alright. But Chop one was good. Crumbly?
Probably for tasting.
It's a nice meat though.
Mm.
The Maui.
Like, I'm gonna ship more of this.
Maybe if we cook it differently, it might be a bit better.
It's
Oh.
chewy, but
Where's my one? Where's my moe? My moe.
You want my Maui?
Yeah, there's a red moe.
Is that oh this is our Maui?
Where's the moe?
It's not red in there.
It was at the top, guys.
Was it that one?
someone took half of it.
Oh.
Oh maybe
Oh, yes.
I like this.
She's getting
I don't mind the
her,
Maui.
her fish.
No, I don't mind. I like it.
Wait till you
I'd
come
rather
back.
that than the.
What do you think?
The drama.
Does it taste
Yeah, yeah,
I
different?
don't really like drama.
Yeah,
I'm
it
never
doesn't
going to
get
fish.
fattier.
Oh, it's fattier?
Not
Nicer?
dry.
Quite nice.
Oh, sorry, say that again.
I like it.
Oh, you like that one? So if we were to rate from Chop, T's and Kevin's, what's at the top? I'm assuming Chop's.
I think Chop's one's good.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then your 1 second, T?
Yeah, but they haven't tasted mine, so I don't know.
Guys, you
But
guys...
mine and Kev was similar, except mine just has a bit more fat.
Mm,
I mean, they are cousins. They're Maoris.
true.
You just play bacon?
Okay,
I guess so.
I think that's all for tonight, guys. We're gonna chow this down and call it a night. See you. Good morning, everyone. Where are we today?
Today we are at Mount Gambier, some sinkhole.
We are at the sinkhole, the famous sinkhole in where are we again? Mount Gambier.
Yeah, I never met someone like you. Oh, to your mama, she a blessing. There's nothing that I would undo. We'll never hit Z and snooze on you. Always tryna show you something new to you. Only wanna treat you right, never leave your side. Always on my mind, I memorize, fantasize everything but you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Falling for your sweet talk, yeah. And your body got my eyes locked. Figure eight curves and I've been drifting like skirt. Baby, I've been craving for your love. Smooth like silk and I'm at some heels. Let me be real for a second, you a little crazy. You a honey that will, you got that booty I built. No competition, nil, got me sweating like Bacardi. She a baddie, 조금 미쳐가. Put your perfect on a friend on a list. We could chill, we could go over time. Over the morning, no for me, 아침 밥을 차려 쓰니까. You still, it's a crime. Damn girl, you are fine. When I'm with you, stars align. Yeah.
Dinner tonight. Chop, what do we have?
We have fried morwong with some tomato / onion paste. So we put together, chop up everything finely with some pickles and that, and we got some sweet and sour pippies. Beautiful pippies, and we got some chicken. What's the chicken is?
Lemongrass, spring onion, garlic. We pan fried the chicken. We pan fried the chicken. All right, taste bite.
Touch my
Taste
pee-pee.
test. Taste test.
Okay, here. So here we got the fish. All right, I cut a little piece. Get some of the veggies on it. All right, taste test. All right, for the camera. Cheers.
Cheese.
Sorry, my bad.
You gotta feed Kevin one too now. We got a second opinion.
Okay, the veggies. It's actually really good. Alright, Kevin, here, for the camera. Alright.
What's your verdict? What's your verdict?
Very
It's
good.
actually really good, bro. It's actually so good.
My mouth is so full.
It's actually really good, this fish. I'm gonna eat some more.
All right, the pee-pee. Someone try the pee-pee. We need a taste
Like a
test.
top?
That's fish, yeah?
We
Yeah,
need
yeah, yeah.
Chop. I need you to taste test the
Oh,
pee-pee.
okay. Alright. Do you want the PG version or the R-rated version?
Man, you gave me the biggest piece. Man.
PG version? Okay. Look at that.
M-rated.
M-rated?
Oh, babe, I know what I want.
Ngon quá.
Oh! You gotta feed Kevin one now too. You gotta feed Kevin one now too.
Oh,
I'm doing.
It's too fast, Kevin.
it's fine when it's already half open. Nah. Babe, I'm gonna grab this food.
Oh no! Oh, I thought that plate was sliding.
Alright, gonna put some sauce in that. Alright, Kev.
Oh my god, I'm eating.
Suck my finger. Why you gonna like that?
What's your rating?
Right, everything is spot on.
Oh, alright, the chicken now. Where's the chicken?
Oh,
Quick, we need to end this vlog.
I need some nước mắm on mine, yeah.
Man, I'm gonna have fish, chicken, and chicken in my
Got some
mouth.
nước mắm on my chicken and my rice. Alright, so you want some nước mắm on your rice and some nước mắm on your chicken. Alright, good job, Tim. Alright. So we go. Nah, I like. I use my hands. I don't care. Get it dirty. Actually, I guess. Alright.
That's the way. How is it? What's your rating?
Finger looking good.
Oh, Kevin, are you ready?
I'm not gonna lick his finger.
That's so good, bro.
Okay, everyone.
Now I'm mucking around. Let's eat.
Okay, everyone. Come
Alright,
on.
everyone say bye to the vlog.
Deal.
Bye.